Hey guys, it's Crazy Cat Jack again, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted you to meet my dog, Elvis. This is my dog, Elvis. He's your baby. Oh my God. He's so nice. He smells the cat. Elvis. His hair is on his stuff. I was like playing with it, and I. Are you seriously still videoing? Yes. Oh, I know what they wanted to see. Oh, I definitely know what they wanted to see. I'm gonna step Jackson's finger. What does that look like? I want to see it. Elvis. Oh, he's going into the sun. Okay, this lighting is horrible. I don't. Goodbye, everyone. How cute I am. I'm Elvis.
Just looking at you like, what the heck?
I'm so fluffy. Okay, we're not posting this